So this is a violin. I use Sofia's technique. So this is a very nice varnish and very beautiful surface. So very easy to learning the technique from the videos.
So I'm super excited today because Ken is the first Star Pupils and student that came to visit me here in Carmel, and so that I could give the certificate in person. So I'm very happy, and now we're gonna have a dinner together.
Yeah!
And Ted, my husband, is preparing an amazing dinner for violin makers, Ted.
Hey, that's what I cook for.
Hello, I'm Ken Akaogi from Japan, and now I live in Massachusetts state. So I'm watching Sofia's videos, and I found that my violin is the best. The violin was using Sofia's method, and the sound is perfect. My wife also recommended my violin is the best sound, so I strongly recommend Sofia's video course. このバイオリンはソフィアのニスのテクニックと、それから内部の処理の方法を使って作ったバイオリンです。このバイオリン、今までの私の作品の中でも一番の鳴りだと、音響性能を持っていると妻にも褒めていただきました。私は赤荻健介です。ソフィアのバイオリンコースを強くお勧めします。新しいことをたくさん学べて、そして仲間たちと情報を交換することができます。So the person I recommend to start this course is highly motivated violin makers, so who want to share the information and learning something new, and also improve their violin. So I found the Facebook page is a very friendly and good motivation for me. Every time I share the progress, and many my friends admire me and give a feedback. So it's a super motivating process. I'm watching Sofia's video course regarding varnish course and priming course. So the most great point for that video course is in the side of the bench, I can check every time the video and what's going on. So it's very easy to understand.
This is Ken with the violin that he varnished. It's a beautiful violin. Can you turn it also?
Yay.
Look at that. So he used the varnishing method that I shared and made his own taste. So that's an excellent work. Thank you so much. I am so proud of Ken and his progresses, and thanks to the priming inside part of my course, he won the 3rd prize at the violin making competition Giovanni Battista Guadagnini in Italy. So this is an amazing achievement, well deserved, and I'm so happy and so glad. Let's go to the next goal.